Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something special for you. It's the Cinomadist brand new AxisPack. Now if you haven't heard of Cinomadist, they're all about blending city life with the spirit of adventure. Their gear is designed for urban nomads, people who are always on the move, balancing work, travel and everything in between. Functional, stylish and built to last, the products are made to handle whatever the city throws at you. And today I've got their latest Kickstarter project here, the AxisPack. So let's dive in and see what this thing can do. So let's start with the exterior of the AxisPack. This 2-in-1 modular tech pouch is built for professionals, travelers, gamers, basically anyone who needs smart organization on the go. It is made of waterproof fabric and it does have YKK AquaGuard zippers, so your gear stays dry and protected. The reinforced padded shell gives it a solid structure. While it is a bit on the larger side of your typical tech pouch, there's a reason for that, which I'll get into soon. This pack has over 30 pockets, offering plenty of storage. Today I've got the jungle brown version, but there's also a charcoal black option. The Cinomadist logo is subtly embossed with the same colorway as the upper part here in this nice like beige color. The front panel here is actually a carrying handle, which is nice and thin that you probably wouldn't even notice. It is quite tight, but then at the top here you do get a padded grip handle, which gives you another way to hold it, so you can hold up here and just here as well. The build quality on this is really nice. The reinforced frame design keeps it lightweight yet durable with a PE foam layered inside to absorb shocks and prevent sharp objects from piercing through. The material is water and wear resistant, built to handle daily use for your upcoming travels or your adventures that you need to take this with. You do get these long zipper pull tabs as well with these heat shrink finishes at the top here, which is really nice, and it makes it easier to open and close the main compartment. Flipping it around to the back here, there are 2 attachment points. We got the carrying straps right here at the top, plus extra attachment points right here for carrying additional gear or items that have a carabiner or a large clip. And then there is this flat zipper pocket right here, and that you could use it to store like your iPhone. I do have the carrying straps in here, but if you wanted to carry your phone, you could just place that in here as well, and just make sure to cover it up and have it zipped up like this. It does fit quite snug in here, so just be aware of that. It is on the tighter side of this. Now let's open up and take a look in the inside for the interior. We do have the AxisPack. The AxisPack does unfold flat at 180 degrees, which you can see right here, and it makes everything easy to access, and it does also stand upright on the desk, so you could even use it as a desk caddy for quick access to all your essentials. I already have some items loaded up in here, which I'm actually currently using. Starting on the left side, we do have 2 structured open pockets here, deep enough to store bulkier items. I do have a little lens in this pocket right here that you can see. It does have a bit of stretch to it, and I just keep this lens in here. And then in the second one, I do have a travel adapter. It does have all the country's traveling plugs that all built into this, and then it does have 4 ports at the bottom, so that's really good. 100 watts as well. And then I do have some earbuds by Sony, and I have a MagSafe charger that I keep in here. And then just turn into the opposite side, which I'll turn around to show you guys. You can see that there's attachment loops right here for holding your cables. So I got USB-C to USB-C cable, USB-C to lightning cable, and some additional little cables as well. And then just behind it, you do get 2 open pockets right here. I have some lip balm in here and some perfume, and it's quite decent size, these ones, and I have additional cable in this one as well. So it takes up this whole backside, so there's 2 here and then 4 attachment loops right here. And then you still got this main area to store your items as well. In the center here, there's a structured open space with reinforced sides, perfect for a compact camera, phone or other quick access items that you just want to get quickly once you open the top part of the tech pouch. Beside that, there is a zipper pocket right here on this side, which you could use to store cash, receipts or small valuables in here in that zipper pocket. This section also features 6 card slots, making it a built-in wallet for credit cards, business card or IDs. So you don't actually have to carry a separate wallet. You can actually use this all-in-one feature right here so that saves you from carrying additional pouch or wallet. And then on the right side, I'll just turn around facing you. And then on the right side here, there is a dedicated SD card and or tag holder made from, I think it's a synthetic leather, which is a nice thoughtful and sustainable touch to this. It does fit up to 8 SD cards and is easily viewable on what you have or what storage you have, with the little top bits that remains quite viewable. And then in here, you're supposed to put their tags, but I just have a microfiber cloth in here. And then it does have some branding here as well, and it does say born for modern explorers, so a little touch right there. And you do have a little pocket, slim pocket right at the back of these SD cards that you could put if you have like a really slim and small hard drive, that could go in here. Just turning this to show you what's here. We do have a mesh pocket, which is really nice to help secure bulkier items. It does have a bit of give, and it does hold it nice and securely. So I do have my SSD in here, a USB-C hub, an adapter, and it does hold that all neatly in here. As you can see at the top, there is 2 stylus holders, a large one and a smaller one, and I do have a pen up here. There is additional space here for larger items, giving you that flexibility in how you pack. And then once everything is in place, just close it up tight and just zip it up, and the hard shell should protect and reinforce your protected items in here. Here's the removable strap that's included. It is thin and compact and easy to attach using the cord attachment loops. So when not in use, you can store it away, or in this case, if you simply just want to attach it on, you can just hook it on just like this very easily, and you should have a carrying strap nice and ready to carry with you. Here's the interesting part. The strap features Ulanzi branding. Now this raises a question. So in my head, is Cinomadist part of Ulanzi, or is this just a collaboration? We all know that Ulanzi for their solid camera accessories, so Cinomadist is connected with them. That's a really exciting prospect. It would mean we can expect great build quality and innovation from this brand as well. I'd love to find out more about this connection actually, but either way, this tech pouch is already shaping up to be a solid one and a well thought out piece of gear. On to the pricing, size and colour. The AxisPack comes in 2 colours. We got the charcoal black and jungle brown. Right now it's available on Kickstarter as a super early bird price, so if you're interested, now is a great time to back it. I'll drop the link in the description so you can check that out. There's also a bundle option where you can either get 2 tech pouches or a tech pouch plus a slimmer pouch, which unfortunately I don't have here, but you can find all the details on the Kickstarter page if you want a closer look. Shipping is available to a wide range of countries as far as I'm aware, but definitely double check on their Kickstarter page or their website to make sure they deliver to yours. If you're thinking about picking one up, now is the best time while the early bird pricing is still live to get it at a discounted price. So in conclusion, what are my final thoughts of the Cinomadist Axis tech pouch? At first, I was surprised by its large size, but after using it, I can completely see why. The extra space makes it incredibly functional, and honestly, it's exactly what I needed for my current setup as of now. I'm carrying more gear daily for content creation, and this pouch has handled everything perfectly. That said, I recommend dedicating it to one specific type of gear. What I mean is, if you're using it for camera equipment, stick to that. If it's for tech essentials or gaming accessories, keep it organized that way. You can mix bulky items, but personally, I wouldn't. Trying to fit something like a Nintendo Switch, a Fujifilm camera, and a laptop adapter together might make it difficult to close properly, but honestly, that's just common sense. My camera alone takes up quite a bit of space, so I've decided to use this exclusively as a tech pouch and a desk caddy, which works perfectly for my own setup, and honestly, this is exactly just what I needed. So for example, if I try to fit my Fuji camera and I have my power adapter, they both are 2 bulky items, so if I put it in, it's just going to be too bulky to fit comfortably, and it's just not going to close because this protrudes quite a lot. I usually have one bag for a camera anyways and another for tech accessories. I personally don't mix the items together, if you know what I mean, and it's not going to fit in here either because it's just going to be too tight. So that's just my 2 cents and the way I have my setups organized. So for me, if I'm using this pouch for tech accessories, it stays a tech pouch. If I were to use it for camera gear, I'll dedicate it solely to that. This is how I prefer to organize my setup. I also love that they included a carrying strap for carrying extra accessories on the go, and the fact that it actually stands upright makes accessing my gear super convenient. I absolutely love something that gives me a wide field of view, because I'm someone that I tend to always forget my items, and if I have this on the desk and I can quickly glance and see what I need, that's a big plus for me. Especially like if you go out and you forget your travel adapter or your power adapter, it's the most annoying thing that can ever get, and if I forget, that really annoys me. So having a glance at what you have in your bag it's a must for me. Overall, this is a well-designed solid tech pouch, and at its current price, it's hard to ignore. It does offer a great design, especially for those who love using it as a desk caddy, and I know a lot of people are really into that. This one definitely makes it a compelling choice, to be honest. I'm excited to see what Cinomadist has in store for us. This is clearly just the beginning. If you're interested in checking it out, all the links are provided in the description down below. That's it for today, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this quick look at the Cinomadist Axis tech pouch. Have a great day, and I'll catch you on the next one.